Can we really get paid to read emails, specifically to earn $2 per email being read? You know what? In this video, we are going to follow this exact video and see whether or not his methods are true or not. Alright, so that is the introduction. That's all you need to know. We're just going to find out whether this particular make money online method is true or not. Alright, so enough talking and let's do this!
If you read one email, you will earn $2. If you read 10 emails, you may get paid over $20. As you can see, people from Russia, Canada, Pakistan, South Africa, Brazil, Kenya, and different countries around the world, withdrawing over $2, over $6, and even over $10 every minute from this website by just opening and reading emails. So here, you can get paid to read emails worldwide and from any country around the world. All you have to do is to open up the email, read it, and just click on confirm this paid email. And boom, you will be credited with 80 cents, over $1, and sometimes over $2 for just reading emails. I will show you two websites today to earn money online reading emails. And the second one is my favorite because that's where you can get paid the most amount of money for each email. Now, the name of this website is paidtoreademail.com. This website is available worldwide, and you can use it to earn money from any part of the world. As you can see, here you can get paid for reading paid emails online. You will receive daily paid emails in your inbox, and you can get paid every time you confirm reading them. And the good thing is that they also give you $3 sign-up bonus once you join and activate your account on paidtoreademail.com. So just come to the top of this website where you can register yourself for completely free. And this is how your dashboard will look like. You can see that the $3 sign-up bonus has been credited to your account, which you can confirm by checking your account stats on right-hand side. Now, the best thing about this website is that you can use it on both your smartphone and on your computer or laptop device. But today we want to make money reading emails online, so we just need to select the paid email option right here and click on this Earn More Reading Emails button.
Alright, so this is the website that he claims that we can be earning $2 per email being read. So the website is called paidtoreademail.com. My inbox pays. Better pay me, man. That's all I gotta say. So as you can see, we can earn cash with paid to read email. So how does it work? It requires 3 simple steps. So we just gotta sign up first and then read emails and get paid. As simple as that. 1, 2, 3. So the next thing that we have to do is to create the account first, according to the video. So I'm going to go ahead and create my account first, and then I will get back to you guys. Alright, so as you can see, I've already signed up, I've already registered, and if you can see over here, I actually got a $3 sign up bonus. So that's good. That's a good sign. And we've already earned a whopping amount of $3 before even reading any form of emails. So that's a good sign. Thank you very much. So for this particular method, as it says, is that we are just gonna go ahead with the paid email option over here. So we're not gonna, mess around with the other options, which is the cash surveys, cash offers, and the earn points section. We're not gonna dabble in those, but only paid email. Alright, so let's resume the video and see what are the next steps.
See all your paid emails you have received on your Mail account or on your Yahoo Mail account. And because this is a brand new account, it's showing inbox as empty. But in a few hours, we will receive the email directly into our Gmail account, so let's wait for it. So after 3 to 4 hours, I received my first mail from paidtoreademail.com. So this is how your paid emails will look like. Now all you have to do is to click on confirm this paid email, and that's going to take you over to some website randomly just like this. Now you simply have to stay on the website and wait for at least 30 seconds.
Alright, so according to the video, what we have to do next is to click on this button over here, earn more reading emails. So as you can see, when we are at the dashboard over here, our inbox is empty because we have just created a new account. So what the video says is that we have to wait approximately 3 to 4 hours before we can actually see any inbox emails that's being sent to us for us to read. So I guess I'll just go ahead and wait for a few hours. Hopefully I'll get at least just one email for today. That's it. That's like my goal. It's just to get one email for us to read. Okay, hopefully I can just earn $2. That's just a goal for today. If I'm able to earn an additional $2 and get $5 over here, hey, I think it's a good sign. I think we will be on the right track. Okay, so you know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and wait for 3 to 4 hours, and then I will update you guys with the next steps. I should be receiving it probably in my email account or over here. Alright, so I'll keep you guys updated with the next steps. Alright guys, as you can see over here, it is 11:41 p.m. and I received the first email at 8:37 p.m. as you can see over here. So it has been a solid 3 hours and there's no extra email than receiving from the paid-to-read-email.com. The video mentions that we have about 3 to 4 hours approximately that I should be receiving an email from them in order for me to read and then earn $2 per email. So let's just go ahead and wait for another hour, and yeah, hopefully I get an email from them so that I'm able to make that money. So I'll check in with you guys again after the next hour. Alright man, it's been 4 hours. It's been 4 hours. Soon it's gonna be 5 hours. I received the activation email at like 8:37 p.m. right? And then right now it's 1:24 a.m. So over at the dashboard of the paid to read email, it still says inbox is empty. I'm gonna give you a quick refresh to show you guys that there's no email. Okay. Yeah, there's still no email. Zero. Nada. Nothing. I'm gonna go ahead to my Gmail as well and just give it a quick refresh as well. Yeah, sure enough, nothing as well. The only email that I have from paid to read email is the activation for my email account. Yeah, which is 8:37 p.m. That's it. It's been 4 hours. Soon it's gonna be 5 hours at this point of time. And then according to the video, it says that, we should be able to receive an email like within 3 to 4 hours, right? A few hours time, right?
So after 3 to 4 hours, I received my first mail from paid-to-read-email.com.
But I didn't receive anything. I mean, yes, even though mine is a newly registered account, right? But still, I didn't receive anything. But according to his video, he did receive an email. I don't know. Maybe his account is not a freshly registered one as compared to mine. Maybe his account is already more or less mature and seasoned already. So I'm not too sure why I'm not receiving any email. But you know what? I guess it doesn't work. I don't know, maybe my account is not chosen. So yeah, there's no email. So there's no $2 for me today. Well, at least I got a $3. At least I've earned $3. I've got $3 richer for today just by doing nothing. If you guys want $3 from this particular website, you can just go ahead and register it and you will get a sign-up bonus automatically. So that's nice. That's nice to know. But as far as for the email, what we are supposed to do, we're not receiving it. I am not receiving it. So if you guys try this method out, be sure to let me know in the comment section down below. Share with all of us. Let us know that, how long you waited for your first email. Just your first email. Never mind your second, third, fourth. Never mind about that. Just the first email. At least for me is, I don't know, man. Maybe it takes up a day, 1 week, 1 month. I don't know. But nevertheless, I'll be sure to let you guys know. I'll be sure to update you guys with this particular method. If I were to get an email, maybe by tomorrow or by next week or a month, hopefully not. Hopefully I don't have to wait so long just to get one email.
Now the second website on our list is called volutic.com. On Volutic also you can get paid for reading emails, as they have clearly mentioned here, earn money by reading emails. And the good thing is that you only need to earn 20 cents to take withdrawal from this website, which is really awesome.
Man, check this out. So I attempted to go to volutic.com, but I'm being faced with this. My antivirus software told me that there is riskware. Once again, this is not the first time that I'm being faced with this. It's actually like the second or third time, if I'm not too sure. There was another method that I attempted On the websites also mentioned that there is riskware as well. So obviously it's not a good idea to continue to this website. It's not a good idea. But if you guys actually try this particular website, please let me know at the comment section down below once again, and let us know how much you can actually earn from this website, volutic.com. Right? So I mean, obviously I can continue to use website, but no, I'm not. It is not safe. We have to be safe. You have to be smart about this as well. If you were to be able to earn like $2 just for one email, I don't know, man. I don't think it's worth it. I don't think it's worth the risk. I do not want to damage my computer's health. I want to make sure that, you know, everything runs smoothly. I want to be using my computer for a long time. So yeah, I'm not gonna jeopardize my PC's health. So as far as this website, volutic.com, I have no idea. Unfortunately, guys, I'm sorry, but I'm not gonna go ahead with this website. But for the paid to read email, like I said, I'm still waiting for the email.
But wait, there's more.
Alright guys, just as I was about to end the video at the previous mark, which is after the 3 to 4 hours mark, where I wasn't faced with the email. I didn't receive any form of email from paid to read email. The only email that I received from there was the activation and confirmation email just to register for my email account for the website. But I come with good news. Well, I guess technically, right, the video still doesn't work. Technically, because from whatever he said, the step-by-steps from according to the video, the person mentioned that we have to wait approximately 3 to 4 hours. That's what he said. Word for word, that's what he said. Exactly, right? To wait for 3 to 4 hours, and then we should be able to receive the mail from paid to read email. And then from there, read the email and then get paid for $2 per email. So according to him, no, I did not receive any email after the 3 to 4 hour mark. However, the next day, around like 1 p.m. or so, I actually received an email from paid to read email. So as you can see over here, the email, I have like 2 emails from them, and the latest one is 1:42 p.m. I believe there's another email before it. So let's go ahead and give it a click and see what it says. Alright. Here it is. So we received it. We finally received it. So this is the exact email that what the video mentioned. So we're supposed to, you know, confirm this paid email and then go ahead and read whatever it says, and then we should be paid. So hopefully the dashboard will reflect the amount of money that will be paid from this email alone. And as you can see over here, it says 7:57 a.m. So it's like 10 hours ago. This is for the first email if I'm not wrong. And then the next email should be at 1:42 p.m. which is over here, which is just 4 hours ago. So I've received 2 emails so far, but it doesn't exactly state how much I will be earning from these 2 emails alone. But according to the video, I mean, I'm expecting $2, right? At least $2. So I hope so. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and confirm this paid email and see where it leads us to. Alright, I spoke too soon. So as you can see over here for the dashboard alone, this is actually the amount that we'll be getting, which is just 2 cents. It's just 2 cents. It's over $2. It's like 2 cents. Okay, so still, I guess it doesn't work. I think the method still doesn't work. Just 2 cents instead of $2. Okay, but well, at least we get the email, so that's a good sign, I guess. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click over here and see what it says. Okay, so for this particular email, all I did was I just clicked on the email, and this is what I received. So apparently I already gotten the 2 cents, which is over here, as reflected over here at the cash section. So now I have $3.02. Wow, good for me. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and click this button. This is not exactly an email. This is more so a survey site. Oh, okay. Okay, guys. So, okay, I still did not complete the survey. I mean, if you want to do the survey, sure. But I think as long as you click on the button on the dashboard itself, without even completing the objective, right? Which for this case is to complete the survey, but you still get paid, right? So as you can see over here, I've gotten my 4 cents. I mean, in total it's $3.04 now. Before that, it was only $3.02. As you can see over here, the status of the emails is being red, changed to red. So I have 2 cents and 2 cents. So I have 4 cents right now. I've earned 4 cents. I mean, for this particular method, I don't think you'll be able to. I don't think it's gonna be able to replace your full-time job, right? But like I said, I think all of these different side hustles, right, is mainly for maybe kind of like a productive break. This is how I like to put it as. Like for example, if you want to do something at your break time, then maybe you can just do these methods in order to earn some extra money, right? I mean, if it's really $2, right, then maybe there is hope for us, but it's actually 2 cents only. So, but if you guys actually tried this method and if you guys received more than 4 cents, if you guys actually even receive $1 per email, please let me know in the comment section down below and share with all of us how much you guys are actually getting per email. Let me know in the comment section down below what are the methods that you guys want me to try. Alright, so I'll see you in the next one, and peace!